You are searching for how to buy shares of Skjern Bank AS, a regional bank providing retail and corporate banking services that trades on CBOE EU under the ticker SKJECO. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker skje.co to find Skjern Bank AS. Make sure the listing is shown as trading on CBOE EU to confirm you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Verify the company name, market, and ticker again to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be submitted to execute when trading resumes. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled or pending. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.